Have you ever lost your wallet? You probably should have had one of these. This is the Eufy SmartTrack Card E30, and it's exactly what you think it is. A way to know where your wallet is at all times. Hey everyone, if you've ever lost your wallet or panicked thinking you did, this review's for you. Today, I'm looking at the Eufy SmartTrack Card E30, a slim rechargeable Bluetooth tracker designed to slip right into your wallet, passport holder, or laptop sleeve. Is this the best Apple Find My compatible wallet tracker? Let's have a look. Eufy is a spin-off brand of Anker, which makes power banks, charging cables, wall adapters, and more. Eufy is the sub-brand that produces a variety of smart home appliances and security devices. I've now owned two Eufy robot vacuums, and they've both been great. All right, not a whole lot to talk about in terms of the box here. Inside, you get the tracker. Let's open this guy up. So like I said, inside you get the tracker, a magnetic USB-C charging cable, and a quick start guide. That's it. There's no disposable batteries. This thing is rechargeable and water resistant, promising up to a year on a single charge before you need to plug it in. It looks, as you can see, just like a credit card, but slightly thicker to accommodate the electronics. It's 2.6 millimeters thick, and it weighs not very much, next to nothing. Seriously, it's probably lighter than two loyalty cards put together, and it feels quite premium for a gadget you'll forget is there. So, what makes the E30 special? First, it supports Apple's Find My network for global tracking, so you can use your iPhone, iPad, or Mac to locate your wallet anywhere there are Apple devices around. It's got a very loud built-in alarm, an 80 decibel ring, so if your wallet's jammed under the couch, you'll hear it loud and clear. Here's what it sounds like. The free Eufy app adds some bonus features like location sharing with family and the ability to ring your iPhone by double pressing the card's button. But most reviewers agree, stick to Apple's Find My app for tracking, since the Eufy app can feel a bit slow and unreliable for real-time updates on location. I'd have to agree with that take. The Find My app is far superior to the Eufy app in terms of location tracking. And unfortunately, there's no Android compatibility. This one is for iOS folks only. Setting up is super easy. Hold the card's button, add it to your Find My app, and then you're done. In my tests, the tracker paired instantly every time, with no issues switching between the Eufy and Apple apps. In daily use, the Find My network updates locations in minutes, and you'll get a left behind alerts the second you walk out the door without your wallet. Especially handy for forgetful folks like me. The alarm truly is loud, so even in a bustling home or office, you'll hear it ring. I can see how this little device would be particularly useful when traveling. And while many thieves have caught on to the many wallet accessories that allow you to attach an AirTag to your wallet, the somewhat more inconspicuous form factor of the Eufy E30 card may help you in situations where your wallet has been stolen. That said, I would suggest that Eufy could get a bit more clever with its branding and use of text on the card to make the card even more misleading for thieves. Okay, let's run through some of the pros and cons. First, the pros. Ultra slim, light, easy fit in minimal wallets. It's rechargeable, so you don't have to buy wasteful batteries. Works seamlessly with Apple's Find My for global crowdsourced location tracking. Has a very loud alarm. There's a visible QR code for a lost found contact. And it's strong value for the money. It's cheaper than subscription-based trackers. As for the cons, well, it's iOS only. There's no Android support. The charger here is proprietary, so don't lose it. The battery does last quite a long time, but it does need recharging, whereas some rivals offer sort of 3 years of sealed battery but then the card essentially becomes disposable. The Eufy app is kind of clunky and slow, which is a tad surprising because the Eufy app I have for my Eufy Robo Vacuum is pretty decent. Also, a few users have reported occasional syncing hiccups, but most say these are rare or fixed by resetting. If you want AirTag tracking but hate wallet bulge, the Eufy is perfect. Credit card shaped and actually lighter. Unlike AirTags, you get a rechargeable option and a loud alarm. Compared to cheaper models, you're paying for the Apple Find My compatibility and the extra peace of mind. The main difference versus cheaper Eufy cards is the E30 is rechargeable for added sustainability, while the basic version is disposable but lasts for 3 years before needing replacement. The Eufy SmartTrack Card E30 nails its job. It's slim, works great with Apple Find My, and gives you reliable, loud alerts and global tracking. Forgetful types, frequent travelers, or those with kids hiding their stuff, this little and affordable device will save you a lot of stress. And if you're a diehard Android user, you should probably look elsewhere. For iPhone folks, this is the best wallet tracker you can get, so long as you don't mind recharging once a year and keeping the tiny charging cable handy. Okay, that's my review of the Eufy SmartTrack Card E30. I hope you found it useful, and if you did, hit that like and subscribe button for more tech accessory reviews like this one. And if you want to pick one up, I've left a link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.